morning, Raptors, and welcome to Wake Up Raptors, your quick hit news update for everything happening in the Future Fiction Academy. I'm Cassie.
And I'm Melissa. This week's energy is all about the threshold. You're not quite in a new season yet, but you can feel it coming, which means this is the perfect time to simplify before things speed up. For authors, that looks like choosing what you actually want to carry into May: one draft, one launch plan, one business focus, and letting the rest stay in the fossil record for now. Creativity this week benefits from structure more than intensity. Shorter sessions, clearer goals for your tabs open. Business wise, do a light reset. Tighten your message, review what's working, and stop feeding projects that aren't moving. Outcome: if you narrow your focus now, you'll enter May with stronger footing and something real already in motion. Let's get right into it because today we've got some juicy little fossil fragments to dig through.
All right, Raptors, sharpen those claws. We got some big news rumbling through the FFA tar pits this week, and it's all centered in one thing: memberships. Our full memberships, the apex predator of our author programs, is getting a price evolution. Starting May 1st, just 4 days from now, the price is climbing from $249 to $299 a month. So don't get caught in the asteroid blast. For that, you get everything under the prehistoric sun: small groups, standalones, labs, and the experimental workflows that'll drag you straight out of the dinosaur era and into the future of fiction. If you've been circling the watering hole, waiting to commit, this is your last chance to lock in the $249 rate before extinction level pricing kicks in. And for the Brachiosaurus curious, who rather dip a claw in the swamp first, we're hatching a brand new tier alongside it: the FFA Lite membership, launching May 1st at just $99 a month. Lite will give you the basic: everything you need to publish your first story with AI assistance without the full Jurassic buffet. Of course, the real magic is what's happening inside the full membership. This month, EAW has been teaching our Raptors how to wield Claude Cowork like a properly evolved tool. No more chiseling chapters into stone tablets, and her sessions are seriously leveling up authors' workflow. Meanwhile, Stacy is wrapping up her accountability session, helping members actually get their book published. Because here at the FFA, we don't just dream about fossils, we dig them up and ship them out. So here's your reminder, Raptors. If you've been thinking about joining the full membership, stomp on over and sign up before May 1st to lock in that $249 rate. And if you're just starting their migration into AI-assisted writing, keep your eyes peeled for the FFA Lite membership, opening its gates that same day. Either way, don't be the last dino at the watering hole. The link is in the description, so come join us. Speaking of FFA membership, here's Alyssa.
This week's focus is stop letting outdated strategies hold you back. The publishing landscape is shifting fast, and trying to navigate 2026 with 2015 methods is a recipe for disaster. Embracing AI tools isn't about cutting corners, it's about empowering your one author crew to thrive. Audit your workflow. Are you lost in the rabbit hole of doing things the hard way? Identify one bottleneck in your process this week, whether it's drafting, organizing, or marketing, and implement a clear, structured workflow to streamline it. Quality and originality. Focus on using these tools to elevate your unique voice and ride the AI wave without losing your creative spark.
That's all for this week's update. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date with the latest FFA news. Leave a comment on your favorite part of this week's update. What kinds of tips and tricks would you like to see in the future? Was this week's tip helpful for you? We added something new to the thumbnail. Can you find our Easter egg? Thank you for waking up with us, Raptors, and we'll see you in the next Wake Up Raptors. Bye.
Bye.